Hi guys. Good morning, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me, guys. Anyone, can you please confirm? Is I'm audible, guys?
Yes, Vamsi.
Right. So I think some of you have attended the last session, and maybe for some of you, it may be today is your first session, maybe. Don't worry, guys. Yesterday, I have taken who has not attended the yesterday's class. If we have missed the last session, so nothing has been happened, guys. Just I started with a very basic level of the introduction part. What is Power BI? What we can do with the help of the Power BI? It's obviously everyone knows, guys. It is a data visualization tool. Just give me a second. I'll open the yesterday's notes, guys. Just give me a second. So every day I will save the notes, guys. Just give me a second. Every day, whatever the notes I write here, that will be saved and that will be shared with you guys. It's not required. This running notes is not required. But generally, whenever I'm doing some explanation and all these things, I will share these particular notes also, guys, in a PDF format. Along with that, I also share the PDF materials and all these things also will share it, guys. So once again, who has missed the yesterday's class and who has attended the last class once again? So what is Power BI? It's a data visualization software from Microsoft, which can convert our raw data, whatever the raw data was given to that software, it will convert into a very beautiful visuals like charts, graphs, etc. It will convert, guys. Why should I convert? Why should I convert a raw data into visual format? For easy interpretation of the data, mainly for taking some business decisions. So obviously, these business managers and business the business people, they want to take some kind of a business decision. So I want to open a new store in some location. So where to open that store? So what is the current location? Where the sales is more? Where the sales is less? So they will verify all the analysis. They want the reports, and based on that, they want to take a decision. And how to do the visualization, guys? There are two ways are there. One is coding based, and which is going to be done by using some languages like Python and R, and need some expertise, and it is going to be time consuming. Coming to the GUI based, which is going to be a simple drag and drop, like using Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, etc. No prerequisites are mandatory. I don't say that we don't require it, but it's not mandatory. You know, having any prerequisites like SQL, Excel, if you have the idea. If you don't have the idea, also, you can start from the basics. And it is going to consume very less time, guys. That is what we discussed. Examples of GUI based is Power BI, Tableau, Excel, etc. And this is the history about the how the data visualization softwares has been evolved, guys. Before 2000 year, we used to use something called as a crystal reports. At that time, the data is very less, and at that time, the business needs also very less, guys. Second generation tools from 2000 to 2012, mainly for supporting of business intelligence, BI architecture. So they got some kind of a new reporting tools, Cognos, business objects, MicroStrategy, SSRS from Microsoft. So Microsoft is already having one data visualization tool, guys, SSRS. I'll also show you the difference between Power BI and SSRS also. I'll show you guys. I told you almost all I'm having 21 plus years of experience. So I have seen, I didn't see in the crystal reports. I started my career in 2003. So I know Cognos, I know business objects, I know SSRS. Okay, Cognos and business objects are outdated, but SSRS is still in the market. Some companies are using. And coming to the third generation reporting tools, guys, from 2013 to till date. So mainly to support the cloud support, cloud storages. So Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, these are some of the third generation reporting tool. So we are learning Power BI. So Power BI is a latest and the third generation reporting tool from Microsoft. SSRS is also from Microsoft, but it is a second generation reporting tool. And who requires the data visualization skills? Anyone who want to become a report developer, do want to become an expertise in visualization, they requires this visualization skill we have to learn. And anyone who want to become a data analyst, intermediate level of visualization is required. Along with that, SQL, Python, Excel, etc. is required. And if you want to become a data engineering, so basics of data visualization, not that much is required. And SQL, Python, cloud, big data, etc. that are required for data engineering. Whereas when it comes to data science expert, intermediate level of data visualization is required. Along with that, machine learning, AI, deep learning, statistics, okay, big data, cloud. These are all going to be some of the other things that are required to become a data science expert. And not only that, everyone nowadays data visualization is a common skill, guys. Depending on your requirement, maybe some people may require a basic level of data visualization, intermediate level, expert level is required. So nowadays, everyone, IT, non-IT professionals, even chartered accountants, these are also generating the reports, guys. But their reports are very basic reports only. They don't require any much complex reports are not required. Everywhere reports are there, guys. For example, open your task manager. Open your task manager. You know what is the purpose of your task manager in your Windows? So it will tell you how much it is a usage of your CPU, how much usage of your RAM, how much usage of your everything it is going to tells you. Go to the performance, guys. This is going to be in which is going to be nothing but it is a visualization, guys. No doubt. It is a visualization, guys. How much is going to be the memory usage was there. So it is not telling in terms of values how the particular CPU usage is taking place. You can see them. So it is going to be 100% utilization has been taken place. For every 5 seconds, it will take the data, guys. For every 5 seconds interval, it is going to take the data here now. So like this, we can see that particular data, what we can see with the application, guys. I think every 2 seconds or 1 second it is taking. So I think there will be some settings will be there, guys. So no need to worry about that. So this is going to be the one what we can see with the data here, guys. So we have a lot of options are there. There are a lot of which is going to be, there are going to be different types of visualizations and all these things. You will be having all these options are going to be available here now. Don't worry, just it is going to be some kind of a visual. This is also visual, guys. It is telling how the CPU usage was there, how much activity it is using. All these things we can understand this application, guys. Right? So like this, everywhere, almost all everywhere. Don't think that only business reports are required, guys. Everywhere there are some reports are there. Everywhere, guys. I'll show you some examples also. In your Windows systems only, we have a lot of reports will be there, but we don't design them. Already Microsoft designed it and they have been given to us. That is what we can call it as a data visualization skill. So these are the things what I discussed in the last class, guys. So today, as I said that, guys, so this is the topics, guys. Yesterday, just a 45 minutes class I have taken. So if anyone has missed yesterday's class, I can see some people who joined for the today's class. So no need to worry about them. So just you'll get also the recorded session for that. Don't worry, you can just go through that recorded session also. Nothing has been happened, guys. So as part of the today's class, as what is our plan here is, guys, I'll show you some technical skills also. I'll tell you later. But before going for the practicals, what is our main discussion here is like I just want to give you an idea about what is our course curriculum, guys. What is our course curriculum and how they are divided and how much time you are going to spend, what you can expect from our side, what we are expecting from your side also, so that we'll get some kind of an idea about how our course curriculum goes on. So let us start with our, which is going to be the roadmap to become an Power BI expert, guys. So discussion is nothing but how to become a Power BI expert. So what is the roadmap to that particular Power BI expert? So let us have a discussion about that. So coming to this particular training program, let me highlight some few topics here, guys. First one is going to be, it is nothing but just it's going to be highlights. I'm talking about that. So what are the main highlights of our training program is? The first one is going to be nothing but it is a live which is going to be an instructor-led training program, guys. Live ILT sessions, we'll call it as. ILT stands for instructor-led training program. So why I'm specifically pointing out this, sir, every training program is an instructor-led training program. No, guys. No, guys. Absolutely, I'm saying that it is no. Because I've seen so many training programs. I've seen so many students who join for the course. What they will do, I'll tell you, guys. They will take a demo session. First, they will take 2 to 3 demo sessions. They'll take 2 to 3 demo sessions. After completion of 2 to 3 demo sessions, once the payment has been done, what they will do, guys? So they says that we are giving the recorded videos. Pre-recorded videos will be given, guys. Pre-recorded videos will be given. And what is going to be their explanation is, we are giving a pre-recorded videos. Okay. So you can go through the recording videos, and what is their explanation here is simple. They says that it is going to be like a self-paced. Like whenever you find a time, you can learn. Whenever you find the time, you can learn it. That is what their explanation says, that they will try to convince you. saying that if you are working professional, these are mainly for working professionals. So whenever you find that time in your during your lunch time or during your free time or just before going to the bed, after half an hour, if you spend it, that is sufficient. You can learn it. But that is not possible, guys. If you want to learn, and they says that we are charging somewhere around 10K. If you want to learn from a pre-recorded videos, why should you join for a 10K, guys? You can go to Udemy and you can buy some videos there. You don't believe, guys, it is going to be less than 500 rupees, guys. In Udemy, you will get a particular Power BI course with less than 500. Sometimes you'll get even for a discount 350, 450 also will get in, guys. You don't believe 299 course is there, guys. Sometimes you will get a discount on that. 299 you will get a course. It's a pre-recorded. It's a pre-record. What is the difference between the 10K and this particular 500 rupees, this one, guys? But the only problem here is, if it is like that, self-paced, it is never, generally, guys, it's very 1 in 100, maybe 1 or 2% people, they can complete the course. Remaining 98%, they can't complete the course on time. You will complete. Maybe for 1 month, you will take 5 months of time. Or maybe for 2 months, you will take 1 year of time. Why? Because generally, if that is like that, that means if it is a pre-recorded sessions and self-paced at this one, the first priority is not for them. The first priorities are other daily activities. And this is going to be every day what you will do. Your plan is to, before going to the bed. So let us say that you want to spend a half an hour of time. But on that day, you are heavily tied with your office work or something. Okay, let us postpone it. Or let us go for today, we are going to a movie. So just postpone it. Like that, it keeps on postpones like that only, guys. From recording videos, we can't learn. Then for whom this Udemy's will be helpful? The guys who want to refresh the topics or the guys who want to upgrade themselves, those are going to do this, guys. For example, myself, I'm going to be, for example, I was into the data science. So now generative AI came. So how I'm going to learn generative AI? I don't join any courses, guys. I will buy some course from the Udemy and I'm going to upgrade myself. After that, I'll do some certification from some IIT or IIITs or IIC, Bangalore or something. I will do some certification after I learned it. I don't get the certification by learning from that. So my classes are not like that. Daily, it is going to be live instructor classes starting from 9:30 a.m. to which is going to be 10:30 a.m. Every day, which is going to be 1 hour session, it is going to be there. 9:30 to which is going to be 10:30 a.m. is going to be the training program. It is going to be there. Daily, the fixed time, 9:30 to 10:30 is the, what we can see, it is going to be the timing here now. So the course duration is basically for, which is going to be almost all 60 days, guys. 2 months, 2.5 months you can take. So 60 to 70 days is the duration, guys. So every day 1 hour, and which is going to be every day 1 hour. So almost all 60 to 70 days we can take. Some around 8 to 9 weeks we can consider, somewhere around 8 to 9 weeks what we can consider them. That is what we can say about those particular concept here now. So this is going to be the one which we can see about this particular, the what is going to be our duration of this particular program. Okay. And apart from that, all the study materials, and apart from that, all the, which is going to be the recorded videos, day-to-day recorded videos, guys. I'm not giving any pre-recorded videos. Day-to-day recorded videos. That means whatever the sessions we have been completed, whatever the session we have been done today, so that session will be recorded and that will be given to you after the completion of that particular training program. That means after completion of the everyday session, day-to-day recording will be given to you. It's a day-to-day recording will be given to you. That is what we are going to be doing. That we are going to get the access through the drive. We are going to get the access here now, Google Drive. So why we are giving the recorded videos? So live session is there. And along with that, your class training program. It is not some other pre-record sessions. So currently this session is getting recorded, guys. This session, what is currently this is happening is currently recording. So this session, we are going to share it with you after the completion of the class. Currently demo sessions, right? So not required, but in regular classes, we'll give day-to-day recorded videos. Why? What purpose? Because it is an online session. As you know that it is an online session, so there are some technical issues will be there. Sometimes maybe some of you may have a power issue, network issue, or maybe some other activities. So you may not be attend to the class. If it is a classroom training, generally you can go to the next day, you can go to the class. You can ask your batchmates what has been happened yesterday. So this is a topic. But here nobody knows anyone. We don't know. We don't know how they looks like also. We don't know. I don't know who are you also. I know only your names. So the basically whenever you miss any class or for refreshing the topic once again, so you want to refresh the topic once again, you will get these recorded videos for access for 6 months of time, guys. So 2 months or 3 months you can take the course. Plus you are going to get the access for the videos for almost till 6 months of time. You will get the access to the videos, guys. So that is what we are going to give you the access. After that, if you want to get, you have to pay some money and you have to get it. Otherwise, 6 months is more than enough, guys. Generally, 6 months means 2 months the course will be completed. After that, another 2 more months or 3 more months. Hardly you can repeat for 2 to 3 times. You can repeat the videos to refresh or to review the topics. You will get the study materials and some kind of a frequent, which is going to be assignments and assessments will be given, guys. So assignments and which is going to be assessments will be given. Okay, so some kind of a study materials as well as assessments, something like through some kind of an PDF documents will give. Sometimes Google Forms we are going to use to do your assignments and assessments. We have to do that. And finally, we are going to do some kind of an capstone project. So I'm going to give you a capstone project we are going to do, guys. So I'm going to make everyone to involve in that particular project and to make you to perform all the particular project related things, what we are going to do that. So that is not like a daily basis. We'll take a 1 week of time. So regularly what I'm going to do is, it is going to be like an, not a session. We are going to interactively through a group or something like that. We are going to interact and we are going to do the things. The capstone project will be not during a live session. One live session, I'll take it. But whenever we are doing this capstone project, we'll connect over the, in the chat, either in the WhatsApp or in the Telegram. And we discuss over that particular, we are going to cover up this. So these are going to be some of the things what you can expect from our side, guys. A live instructor-led training program, 60 to 70 days of training, 8 to 9 weeks of time. And all the study materials and day-to-day recording sessions will be given to the Google Drive for 6 months of access. And assignments and assessments will be given regularly to analyze, to evaluate yourself. And finally, there is going to be one capstone project is there. Then at the same time, what we are expecting from your side. So at the same time, we are also expecting from your side, guys, what you have to provide us. From your side, we are talking about, guys. One is going to be nothing but a good, first thing I'll say that is good internet connection, guys. It's a good internet connections. Nowadays, internet connection has been became very fast, guys. And what is my recommendation is sometimes some people will connect through mobile internet, using mobile data, something they'll connect it. That is not recommended. A good internet connection, connectivity, and connect from a laptop, guys. It is connected from a laptop. Laptop is the best option. Some people will log in from their mobiles and tabs. So which I don't recommend them, because laptop sometimes what you can do is while I'm discussing some topics, we can practice it, guys. Regularly along with me, you can practice it. I don't recommend them, but whenever I just discussed a topic, you can just, meanwhile, I don't give any time for that. But what you can do is, guys, you can just do, which is going to be practically some of you can open your desktops and open your computers and readily we can work with them. So it's a parallel practice also, we can do that. A good internet connection from from a laptop, and every day, daily, it is going to be 2 hours. You have to dedicate, guys, 2 hours. So 1 hour, in that 1 hour, you have to attend the session. The 1 hour you have to attend my session. And for 1 hour, you have to practice it, guys. Regular practice is required. It is not a programming language. Programming language means today, if you learn it, guys, for example, you went to a training program. After completion, you can open the programs and you can study them. But mainly the problem here it is drag and drop. Nothing to write any running notes. What running notes you will write, guys? No running notes can be written, guys. There is no running notes for this. So I'll say that go to the start button, go here, click here, double click here, right click here, select this option. What is the notes you will write, guys? What notes you are going to write for this, guys? If you want to write some notes, some concept must be there, or some kind of a practical program you can write. But here we can't write anything. It's not a coding based. So if you want to remember all that navigation, practice is important. So every day, 1 hour session, 1 hour, at least minimum practice must be there. So day-to-day topic, I'll say that, for example, today's topic is there, practice. Tomorrow, what you have to practice tomorrow, guys? The previous day and the current, whatever the current day, what we discuss. Third day, what you have to practice again? The last 2 days and the current. Like that, it should be it should be increasing like that, guys. Regular practice is required because all options are menu options will be there. Only the GUI options are going to be there. So you have to learn those options. If I click here, what I have to do? If I click here, what option is used for? This option is for user for what purpose? Everything is going to be GUI based only we have to do, guys. So this is what we are expecting from your side, guys. This is from our side and this is from your side. Daily, please attend the class. I don't say that everyone should attend the class, we'll track the attendance. We don't track any attendance. It is up to you guys. Here we are not any school students or college students to track your attendance and to force you to learn it. You are professionals. You completed your degrees. You complete your bachelor's. Some of them are working professionals. So you guys having a complete idea. So it is up to you. You have to tune up yourself. We are only just the mentors to guide you, but everything you have to tune up yourself and you have to do that implementations. Okay. So that is what my suggestion, what we can say that. And anyhow, I can tell you the course curriculum now, but you cannot understand anything. So what topics will be there here? I can highlight that it is Power BI, but very easy, guys. This Power BI can be just, it's going to be divided into, which is going to be four stages, guys. You may not be able to understand it, but I'm telling that it is going to be 4 stages, guys. Stage 1 is going to be nothing but we have to import the data and we have to transform the data, guys. Import data and we have to transform the data, guys. That is what we have to do. So we have to get the data. First of all, whenever you know that, right? Whenever you want to generate a report, first of all, data has to be selected. So first get your data and we have to transform the data. Some people also call it as cleanup because the data may not be in a correct format. Data may not comes, guys. So we have to clean up the data. Then we have to do something called as data modeling is what we have to do, guys. It is going to be data modeling is what we have to do. And thirdly, we have to perform something called as an visualizations. Create your visuals, visual creations and all these things, designing, all these things we have to do it here now. Finally, we are having the 4th stage, which is going to be nothing but deploy, or which is going to be what we call it as an publish the reports. Which is going to be the visuals, guys. Only 4 stages. In that, the most time taking process is only these 3 topics only, guys. Importing and transforming the data will takes a lot of time, guys. Data modeling will takes a lot of time. Data visualization will takes a lot of time. This is very easy, guys. Hardly it is going to take maybe 4 to 5 days it will take it, not more than that. It is only 4 to 5 days only, guys. But each topic will take almost somewhere around 20-25 days. You can say it, guys. 20-25 days also we can take it. 20 days minimum to minimum, it will take at least 3 weeks of time. Each topic it will take it, guys. Each topic. At least it is going to take. So that's why 3 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks. So almost it is 9 weeks plus another 1 more week plus 1 more week for project. Totally, I said that it is going to be somewhere around 8 to 9 weeks. It is going to take it, guys, approximately, as I said that, or 10 weeks, maybe. You can say that. So like this is going to be very easy, guys. It is not like learning a programming language. A lot of topics we have to learn. For example, if anybody has learned C language, so we have to learn what are variables, what is conditional, what is control statements, what are pointers, what are going to be the file systems, what are arrays, isn't it? What are structures? All these things. There is a lot of topics will be there. But here it is not like that. Just simple 4 stages. Import your data and transform your data. After that, we have to do the data modeling. After that, we have to visualize them. And after that, we have to publish the visualization. This is going to be your Power BI project lifecycle. End-to-end project lifecycle is this one only, guys. It starts with your importing of data and transforming the data first of all, and then do the data modeling as you required. So create your visualizations or design your visualizations as you required. And then we have to deploy and we have to publish a report. This is going to be the project lifecycle is what we are talking about that. That's it, guys. That's it. It is going to be no need to do anything at all. So these are going to be the 4 stages, what we can say, guys. That's it. That is about this particular, the project lifecycle. You will understand, guys. So what are the topics there? I can tell you the topics. Data modeling is going to be done with the help of a DAX. I think you may guys may hear about. DAX is the most important topic in the Power BI. But how to do that and where to do that? It is done with the help of a DAX concept. We have to do that. That is what we call it as data modeling with help of the DAX. What is the data modeling? I'll tell you later, guys. Right now, it is not required. And how to import the data, how to transform, what are the different transformation, what are the different visualizations we have to do, which visuals we have to create, and how to deploy, how to publish the reports. All these things we are going to discuss practically as part of this application. We are going to do it, guys. Right? So that is going to be the basic idea about how to work with this particular the project lifecycle. So you'll have come to know about all these things in the coming classes. For the timing, you can just leave it for the timing, guys. So just today, I have just given an idea about which is going to be nothing but like what is our course curriculum. And even the course fee also, guys, it is going to be 5K for the total course, including all the materials, capstone project, okay, recording videos, including recording videos, guys. Okay, that is not given from any other batch or any pre-recorded. It is your current session recorded videos only we are going to give you. We are not going to give any other, we are not going to give you any other visuals, videos of other batches. From your batch, everything is going to be recorded. Your voice, if anybody asks a question, even that is also going to be recorded here now. Everything is going to be recorded here, guys. So this is about the highlights of our course program. This is our the roadmap to our course program, the my whatever the program we are discussing about this, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's it for the today's class. What I can suggest for the today's class, guys. As I said that 3 or 4 demos I'm going to take it. Today is my second demo session. So I'm not taking that much time, guys. How much time I have taken? 40 minutes maybe. Just a 40 minutes session I have taken, guys, not more than that. So in the next class, I'll start with a little bit basic. I'm not starting with any implementation, but little bit basics. I'm going to start with the how to work with Power BI, how to install Power BI, what are the different Power BI tools are there. So what is the purpose of them? Which one we have to install? So all these things I'll discuss it in the tomorrow's class. And first of all, we'll start with our installation procedure. That's why whenever if you are working from a computer, whenever I said installation, immediately along with me, you can also do the installation, guys. That is a parallel. If you do that, it is going to be having a good understanding will be there instead of learning after completion of the class. At the same time, if you do it, then it is going to be the better option for you. That's the reason I'm recommending everyone to please log in with your laptops, not with the help of mobiles. But some people says that, sir, we are traveling during that time. They're having their own exceptions. That is up to you. As I said that it is not any mandatory concepts here. It is only what is our suggestions, guys. If you really want to become an expert within a short time, you are looking for a job or you want to just upgrade yourself, don't waste your time. Just within 2 months, 3 months, you have to complete your course training, guys. Okay. So this is from my side for the second session, guys. So same as yesterday, if anyone having any questions, guys, feel free to discuss, guys. Anyone, guys, any questions from your side if you have? Yes, anyone, guys, if you have any questions, please unmute yourself and you can speak, guys.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yes, Virendra, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, Virendra, yeah.
Is it only the Power BI is sufficient, or any cloud along with the Power BI along with the cloud is necessary for getting into to upgrade into a new domain?
New domain means you are looking for a job only on Power BI?
No, currently I'm working as ETL developer.
Okay.
So further, I want to shift into visualization as well. So
Okay.
is it only the Power BI is necessary, or Power BI with the cloud is also needed?
It's not needed because you, now see, as you're saying that you are on the ETL side. So if you just add up, it is like an you are adding this particular skill extra, right? It's not upgradation, it is adding your skill extra. So as you know that, because I need not to tell you are ETL expert. So ETL reporting, all these are nothing but part of your business intelligence, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So absolutely. So that means see, in while we are extracting the data, you know in the ETL, you will extract the data from generally what type of from where you are going to extract the data generally in your ETL
Databases, then cloud,
databases.
then
Any
flat
cloud?
files.
Are you using any cloud?
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely. How you are extracting the data using ETL tool, how you are extracting the data. Even Power BI also will extract the data from a cloud storages. We can select it. You can read it. But for that, you need not to be a cloud expert. That, as you know that, right? For that, you need not to require a cloud expert. If you have a little bit basic idea, that is going to be sufficient for that. So nowadays, what I suggest here is, being you are already an ETL and if you are adding the skill to the Power BI, so better to learn some kind of an cloud-based technologies, not mandatory to learn. But nowadays there are going to be a lot of cloud-based tools are also coming. You need not to be an expert in all the tools of the cloud. Only the tools that are required for your domain, only for your technology, you take that particular tools. No need to take much tools. We need not to take it. So
Okay.
just search for what are the tools, like what are going to be something like a Synapse, or we are having something like an Snowflake. These are
Snowflake.
going to
Yeah.
be some of the cloud-based tools. So learn those particular tools better.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Fine.
yes, sir. And anyway, I'm the student of your class in
Mm.
2018 for the
Okay.
Oracle database
Okay. Okay.
class.
Okay. Almost 6, 7 years. 2018. Okay. It's maybe at that time I moved to data science at that time actually.
Okay.
Okay. 2017 or 2018, I think so, as of now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Fine. Okay. Thank you. Very long
Thank,
back, where after again you came back.
thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Thanks, Virendra. Anyone,
Thank you.
guys? Any other questions if you have? Anyone, if you have any other questions?
Yes, sir. Morning.
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah. Sharath, right? Deep Sharma.
Dipit.
Deepesh
Yeah, Dipit
Sharma.
Sharma.
Yeah. Deepesh
Yes,
Sharma.
I
Yeah.
do have question.
Mm,
So it's regarding I'm doing my logistics, supply chain, and management,
mm,
and also SAP also I have
mm,
done
mm,
MMM consultant.
mm.
So I'm planning also for SQL
Report.
because I've
Okay.
already,
Mm.
pardon?
Yeah.
Okay,
Continue. You can just continue.
okay. So I'm looking for data analyst as well because
Mm,
I've already reviewed the CVs and resume all,
mm,
and they required storytelling and all that
mm,
stuff,
mm,
na.
mm.
So somebody suggested me like
Mm,
you have to go first for server this SQL,
mm,
MySQL, and
mm,
then you can opt for
mm.
Power BI
Power
either.
BI. Okay. Mm.
So what do you suggest?
Yes.
I go first for SQL Server
Mm,
or directly I can opt for
yes.
Power BI?
Yes, absolutely. So it's not mandatory. SQL is not a mandatory thing to learn it. And even if you learn SQL also, that much extent of SQL is not required to become to work as a data analyst, or if you want to work with a storytelling skills, you don't
Mm.
require any advanced level of SQL is not required. So whatever the SQL that is required for you up to the Power BI extent, I am going to teach it in this training program.
Okay,
Okay,
like
at a
creating dashboard, formatting it.
yes, creating of dashboards and all these things will come into Power BI. I'm
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about SQL. I'm talking about SQL. You don't require them. Don't
Okay,
think
okay.
that your expectation is, if you want to create a complex dashboard report, I have to write an SQL query. We don't write any SQL queries here. Everything is
Okay.
internally written by the Power BI. We don't require anything. Everything is GUI based. It's not required. Just to get some idea about database, what is database, just only the basic knowledge is required. Sometimes joins, group bys, where clauses, okay, sorting the data. Only these are the basic things that are required. You need not to be an expert SQL expert. So whatever the SQL that is required for the understanding of Power BI, or as a data analyst, if you want to work, whatever the SQL which I'm going to teach you, that is sufficient as part of the Power BI course. Separately, there is no requirement. So if you require, that means in the case if you want to become a more SQL expert, then I recommend the SQL course to join. But that is not mandatory that you have to join after one after the another. At a time, you can do both parallelly. You can do it also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
And one more question, sir.
Yes.
So you're gonna teach us also, this
Mm.
real projects so that we
Mm.
can also
Yes.
add in our resume
Yes,
or
yes,
CV.
yes, absolutely. We are going to make you to do one capstone project. You can add that particular project into your resume.
Okay, okay. Because I've heard none of my friends also did, and
Mm,
they did the courses,
mm, mhm,
and they just add on the CV
mm,
resume that they have 5-year experience, 4-year
mm,
experience, and they are
mhm.
already hired. with these courses?
Yes, you can do that. You can do that. I'll make you to do one capstone project, and there are a lot of nowadays everything is available online. There is a lot of online resources are there. So once you know the concept, you can upgrading yourself or doing some practical implementation is very easy. There are a lot of online resources. Along with my capstone project, I'll also tell you what are the resources also. You can just go through them and you can also do those particular implementations also. We can do that.
Okay, so you're gonna show us like
I'll
what
show
you
you.
did and
Yes.
okay.
Yes, I'll show
How
you.
it works
Yeah.
or okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Right?
Like in McKinsey, na, I have also reviewed that McKinsey how they do data visualization, na.
Okay. Right. We'll do that. We'll do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Right. Yes, I think anyone having any questions? Yes, Sharath.
Anji, sir.
Yes, Sharath.
Sir, actually, I required a few details regarding
Yeah.
what any laptop configuration is required for this.
Not a mandatory. Nowadays, everything has become high-level configuration. With a basic level, nowadays, say 8 GB RAM, I'll say that. Obviously, every machine is nowadays coming with 8 GB. A processor, any processor is fine, whether it is a Intel i3, i5, i7, does not matter. It's a very basic level software only. You don't require any high configuration. With a basic configuration, as part of the latest trends, that is sufficient.
One more thing, sir. Actually, I want to check that can I use my office laptop for this?
Office laptop, you can use it, but the thing is whether you have the authorization to install it or not, that you have to check.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
because
it.
I'm going to share you some files, CSV files and Excel sheets I will share you. Okay, can you download them first of all? Is your system, your office laptop allows to connect from the Zoom? Are you connecting from the office laptop today?
Yeah.
Okay, so it allowed the Zoom. Okay, fine. So after that, I'll share some files, whether you can download them or not, that we have to confirm that. And plus, main important is installation from your IT team. So check with your IT team. Can you install the Power BI or can you ask your manager? See, nowadays companies are allowing, right? So nobody
Yeah.
is saying that you are not doing any other work, right? You are learning. That will help the company only, isn't it? So you ask your team, you ask your manager, so can I install the Power BI in my system? I want to learn, I want to upgrade myself. So if your company allows, that's why I'm saying that too, it is going to be how your manager is going to support also is going to be depends on that. So if he allows, then you can install Power BI and you can do the work, and you can also get a dedicated account with your company email ID. You can create a dedicated account also, we can create it.
Yeah,
So
sure.
it depends on your company resources and company securities, the security print, the rules, and this based on that only you can install it. But you can install it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. Right. Any others, guys? Any others? Any questions?
Sir, can you share any soft copy documents for Power BI?
Yes. I'll share all the documents related to the learning. I'll share all the documents. I am going to share it.
Also, sir,
Okay.
after complete the courses, can you share provided for the interview questions how to prepare
Yes.
that?
All I told you already, all materials, everything I'm going to explain you, all of them during our training program. Everything I'll explain the concepts.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Hi, sir.
So yeah. Yes.
Can you help understand the differentiation between the data analyst or data engineer and the Power BI
Yeah,
developer?
I will tell you, but slowly you'll understand it. In the first class itself, you cannot understand it, right? So I'm going to explain you all those particular applications step by step. So up to what extent a data analyst is required, what is a data analyst will do, up to what extent of Power BI is required for a data engineering, what exactly they will do. All these things I'll explain during the training program.
Yes, sir. Extending to that question, I want to know because with 10 years experience, which of these would be easier for me to apply or approach for, rather than
minimum, if you have 3 years of experience, that is going to be sufficient, not more than that.
like
1 to 3 years, 1 to 3 years, if you want to start with them. Even freshers also is fine, but freshers will have a less opportunities. If we have, at least if we can show around 1 to 3 years of experience, then it is going to be good. If you're already having an experience, so how much extent means depends on your current experience, what is the current technology. I can guide you regarding that later if you require it through offline. We can discuss about that.
Thank you.
Fine. Right. Okay, guys, let's end up the session for today. And I'm sharing my contact number, guys. If you have any further discussion, And I think somebody, you want to, if you want to just take some more discussion with me, you can just feel free to reach me here, guys. It's 880080. It's a 77117 is my contact number, guys. So please reach. You can reach it on my number. You can have some further discussion also. I think Maunika, I think you also have some questions. You posted it, so I can discuss them. So please text me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, fine. So all of you guys, if you have any further any discussions or any doubts, please feel free to reach me. First, text me on my WhatsApp number, guys. I'll tell you in the case if you want to speak, if you want to discuss over the call, I'll tell you the timing so that you can discuss in the phone also, guys. Okay. So thank you for today, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. Thanks all of you. We can meet tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow, guys, with the same time and with the same link. We'll meet in the tomorrow session, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.
Thanks, Mr.
Thank you, guys.